Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the Central University recruitment notification, guys, and it is a faculty recruitment notification from one of the Central University. And I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having only post graduation or PG plus UGCNET or PhD. That means for all these three different types of categories here, the opportunities are there in the multiple departments. So please utilize this opportunity, guys. And here the few departments require the UGCNET and few departments does not require the UGCNET. And the candidates who are having the PhD will get 50,000 rupees per month, and the candidates who are not having the PhD, they will get 36,000 rupees per month. That means out of the multiple departments, for few departments, if you are having only post graduation without UGCNET, without PhD, you can earn up to 36,000 rupees per month. Okay, and let us check the details regarding this one. So before going into the details, please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGCNET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform. And the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGCNET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept. So please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is a Mizoram University and it is a Central University, guys. And we got this notification on 6th August 2021 regarding the guest faculty advertisement. Okay, so the advertisement number is 1 of 2021. And here applications are invited for engagement of guest faculty in Mizoram University for various departments as per the details given in the part B and the details of department. The engagement shall be strictly on per lecturer basis. So honorarium shall be paid at the rate of 1500 rupees per lecture, subject to the maximum of 50,000 rupees per month. Okay. And the current advertisement is on the basis of anticipated requirement. So conduct of interview or engagement as guest faculty shall be subject to the actual requirement of the university from time to time. And here the selection process will be purely based upon the interview, guys. Either it might be the online or else the offline or else a blended mode. Okay, so can't say right now. And coming to the terms and conditions are provided here. So you please check down all these terms and conditions. Okay, so I will show you the what are the different departments and what is the last date and what is the experience required, fine, and what is the application procedure. I will just mention these few points, and the remaining points you please check down. Why? Because I will provide the link in the description box of this video. Okay, so applicants are required to submit their application. Application is there in the annexure 1 along with the criteria for a guest faculty, that is in annexure 2 with relevant supporting documents, fine. And the last date of receipt of complete application is 15th August 2021. And the candidates who want to apply for more than one department, you have to pay the separate registration fee, and you have to you have to apply with the two different applications, guys. That means separate applications, and applications should be submitted by email only, and using the guest faculty application as subject to the email, and the scanned or PDF copy of application should be sent to the concerned department as per the email ID provided in the part B. Okay, and here you may check down the departments in English, political science, sociology, psychology, clinical psychology, social work, zoology, mathematics and CS, physics, chemistry, industrial chemistry, food technology, management, tourism and hospitality management, architecture, information technology, electronics and communication engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering. And coming to the BTech common courses, that is mathematics, physics and English. Okay, so for each and every department, how many vacancies are there? Okay, the tentative requirement also mentioned here, and the email IDs to which email ID you have to submit also mentioned here. Fine. So for each and every individual department, you please check down the corresponding submission of application form. Okay, and you have to send to the email ID. Okay, and coming to the minimum qualification for the guest faculty, the time taken by the candidate to acquire the MPhil or the PhD degree shall not be considered as a teaching or research experience. And for those disciplines in which the NET is conducted by the UGC or the SLET or the SET is conducted by bodies accredited by the UGC, qualifying shall be an additional requirement. Okay, and coming to the departments of arts, humanities, language, social sciences. Okay, and for a BTech common course like mathematics, physics and English, here the PhD is required. But one point is mentioned here. Don't worry, guys. Even though if you are having the PG plus UGCNET also, you may apply for this one. But because here the point is mentioned that in the event of unavailability of PhD candidates or unavailability of the suitable PhD candidates, the university reserves the right to consider those candidates without PhD degree. That means with only post-graduation plus UGC qualification, you can get the job. There is a possibilities are there, but you will get 36,000 rupees per month. Fine. And the remaining eligibility, as I told now, that master's degree with 55% of marks, and along with that one, the net SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, and coming to the Department of Clinical Psychology and coming to the food technology, the same qualifications whatever we saw in the above category, the same qualifications are mentioned. And coming to the management, bachelor's degree as well as the master's degree. Fine. So these things are mentioned, and the 2 years of professional experience must be there after acquiring the master's degree. Okay, PhD is not required for the MBA, as well as UGC NET also not required for the MBA category. I mean management category, only post graduation with 2 years professional experience. Fine. And coming to the tourism and hospitality management, bachelor's degree as well as the master's degree. Okay, so that's it, and 2 years of professional experience. And for engineering and technology, the experience also not required. Okay, so BTech as well as the MTech, that means the MTech freshers also apply for this one. Aramsa you can apply, guys. MTech freshers. The PhD also not required for this category. So for the candidates who are applying for the engineering and technology under this MTech, then you can earn up to 50,000 rupees per month. Fine. And similarly for architecture also, first class in bachelor's degree, masters and experience also mentioned here. Okay, and yeah. So here then annexure 1, the application form is kept. Okay, and so these are the complete details what they kept here, guys. And coming to the annexure 2. Okay, so these are the points they mentioned. Fine. So finally, the application fee is also not there, guys. So I think it will be the good news, right? The application fee is also not there. Why? Because it is not at all mentioned at anywhere point. So I think it will be the wonderful news to you. Bina application form. Okay, you can apply for these jobs. Okay, directly by take down the application form printout and fill up the details. Okay, annexure 1 and annexure 2, and then scan again, and then scan whatever the enclosures are there, make them in a single PDF, and whatever the department you belongs to, send to the corresponding mail ID here. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement is follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.